Curricula are much more than tools to group your courses. They can also help your learners understand the order in which they need to perform tasks and complete courses. Let's see how they work in action. Log in as an administrator and click Curricula. Here you can see a list of all existing curricula which you can deactivate, edit, or delete. Let's see how you can add a new one. From your curricula page, click Add Curriculum. Upload an image, give your curriculum a name, add a new category or select an existing one, and write a short description. In the advanced settings, you can edit the availability, price, and add a custom certificate linked to this specific curriculum. Click Add. Now, you're automatically redirected to the Curriculum's Courses tab. Here, you can start adding courses, set their order, and specify whether they are mandatory to complete. To assign your curriculum to your users manually, go to Users and click Enroll Now next to their name. To assign the curriculum to branches, click Branches and click Enroll Now.